John Lee ir pasaulē gudrākais investors. Ļoti daudzas viņa prognozes ir piepildījušās. Paklausīsimies, ko viņš saka par pagājušā nedēļā notikušo kritienu.
This is another buying opportunity in our view. 2024 has proven to be a year where the market's been strong and it has eluded many opportunities for sustained weakness. I know yesterday's pullback was really painful, but to us, I think the fundamental supporting stocks are intact, and I think it's a good opportunity for investors here. You know, as context, the market has been bleeding lower. If you look at internals for the last 10 days, yesterday looks capitulatory because not only did we have a 90% down day, but the VIX, the spot VIX, exploded by 75%. There's only 4 times in history where it's risen 60% in a day. So yesterday was the 5th time in its 35-year history. Of those 4 times, the market recovered all of its losses within a week, 3 out of the 4 times. The fourth time it took a month.
Kā dzirdējāt, viņš ir noskaņots optimistiski un tātad var pirkt dipus.